Hey guys, let's do the abdomen exercises today. These exercises are very effective. We'll be doing every exercise for 30 seconds, but you can choose as per your capacity. 20 seconds to 1 minute would be good enough. Let's start the session.
Let's press the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon not to miss any upcoming video of mine.
Let's do the first exercise. That is a plank. We'll be doing it in a way that your feet are apart and hands are maximum forward. Keep it around 1.5 feet apart. Push your hands and legs so much forward and back so your back goes flat. Keep looking forward. Your back should be flat. Pull the abdomen and hold it there. Breathing should be normal. Let's do another plank, that is a forearm plank. Now we'll be going down on the forearms and elbows. Make sure your shoulders are above the elbows only, feet a little closer to each other. Look forward, the back is straight, knees are also straight and high. Keep looking forward, breathing is normal. Keep holding. Easy. Let's do another exercise that needs to be done in a boat pose. You need to lie down flat on your back. Now, raise the legs around 45 degrees up, around 1.5 feet up. Slowly raise your back up. Take your hands upside forward. Then move. Drop your left foot down on the ground. Then raise it up. Then drop the right one down. Raise it up. Once dropping the left, once dropping the right. The back is stable and straight. Pull the abdomen in. The pressure comes to the lower part of the abdomen. Relax. Lie down again. Let's do the next exercise. We need to come again to the boat pose. Raise your legs again 45 degrees up and around 1.5 feet up. Raise your back also. Take your hands forward. Then drop your hands down on the ground. Let's make a shape of a V with your feet. Raising the legs up, then drop them down, up and down, up, down, up, down. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, up and down. Relax. Slowly come down. Breathe. Breathe deeper. Let's do the next one. Reverse breathe this time. Once again going to the boat like the last time. Back up. Take the hands up. Now drop your feet down. Take them apart and take them up together. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax. Easy. Breathe. Breathe deeper. The next exercise is to come to the chair pose. The single leg at a time. We'll do it alternate. We'll do half sit up, touch the foot, and we come down. Exhale up, inhale down. We need to pull the leg in this way. Exhale, come up, touch the foot, then go down. Take the other one up. Keep doing it. Continuation. Exhale up, inhale down. Exhale up, inhale down. Relax.
Let's raise the single leg up and touch your shoulders once with the hands, then touch the foot. Let's start with the left leg first. Exhale up, touch the foot, inhale, touch the shoulders, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down. Same exercise will work upon all three layers of the abdomen, lower, middle and upper abdomen. Good way to go for a six-pack abs. Keep going. Exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down. Reach out high. Try touching the foot every time. Great. Relax. Easy. Let's go. Other side now. Now raise the right one up. Exhale. Touch the foot. Inhale. Touch the shoulders. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Reach out high up. Keep going. Good workout for the abdomen. Way to six-pack abs. Relax, easy.
The next one is you need to bend your legs in, keep your feet down. Make sure your feet are away from the hip region. Let's open your knees wide apart. Feet are still together. Let's touch your shoulders with both the palms. You need to do the sit-ups. Exhale, come up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down. Relax, easy, breathe for some time.
Whenever we do exercises for flat abdomen, a little pressure always comes to your neck. So let's release that now. Turning on the stomach, go flat with the feet, make elbows stand in front, elbows together and pushed forward. Placing both palms at the chin. Look upside. Make sure the elbows are together and pushed forward. Feeling light stretch coming at your neck. Be there. Little stretch will happen at your back and neck. Please subscribe and press the bell icon also to receive further videos.
Relax. Let's do the next one. We'll come in the forearm plank again. Curl your toes in. Raise the back and hip region up. Knees are straight. You look forward. Raise the right leg a little up. Then push the knee outside the right shoulder. Take it back, forward and back. Keep moving. Exhale forward, inhale back. Relax. Easy. Let's change the side now. Show you from other side. Take elbow, stand this side. Make sure the back is flat. Look forward. Raise the left leg up. Pull the knee out. Close to the left shoulder. Take it back and forward. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Relax. Easy. Slowly turn to the side and sit straight up. Sit comfortable. Sit with ease. So that was a very simple but very effective routine for the abdomen. If you practice it 3-4 days a week, it will create a great effect on your abs. All the best for now. Thank you so much.